Tour of modern crop cultivation technology.
Bring your senses to see the cultivation. Has been 1 week since the land preparation and plowing began. Today, the farmer is digging holes and planting young seedlings with hope. Two years later, the crops have started growing beautifully. Maintenance course, spraying root nutrients using a drone. After 3 years, the plantation is slowly beginning to produce results. At 5 years old, the crops are finally producing a satisfying harvest. This stage is the simple harvesting process, filled with hard work and dedication. The final results are finally here. Let's watch together. Now, fruit harvest is on its way to my local market. The end result is always like this. This is the market in my community. When I collect agricultural produce, I can sell it all without worrying about leftovers.